Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this stylish pocket. It would be nice for you to do it on your kaftan for your clients. So just stick with me to the end and you see how I made it. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'll be using this soft color gum. This is the softest color gum. Okay, so I've cut it to this size I want. This is 4.5 by 5 3/4, and then this one is 4.5 by 4.5. This is a perfect square. Okay, all right. So the first thing I'll do is I'll carry the perfect square, that's the 4.5 by 4.5, and create a crease to get the middle part. Then I'll mark 3/4, that's 0.75, another 3/4 or 0.75. Then I'm going to draw a line to connect the two lines. I'm going to draw a line like this. Then I'll draw the shape of the design on the pocket like this. So I'm just drawing half of the shape so that by the time I open it to give me the complete figure I'm looking for. You remember I folded it into two. Okay, so when I cut and open, it's going to give me the complete figure I'm looking for. Okay, so as you can see, this is the complete figure. But I think this is too fat, so I'll need to reduce it a little bit. So I'll just use my scissors to just cut about 1/4 inch around it to give me the perfect shape I'm looking for. So this is just perfect. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to the fabric I'll use the white and a golden colored fabric. Okay, so the main pocket will be on the white, and then the pattern on the pocket is going to be on the golden part. Okay, so I've already gummed it here, and as you can see, my color gum is already gummed and my design is already gummed. So I'm just going to go ahead to trim it. I'll just go ahead to trim it. So I'm going to trim the pocket just exactly as my pocket is, like this. And then I'll also trim this part by the two sides. I'll trim it equally. The top I'll leave about ½ inch around every other place, and then I'll notch all the shapes, all the curvy parts. I'll notch all around it so that I can have freedom to bend it when I am ironing. Okay, so the notch I did is not enough. I'm going to notch some more, like that. The more notches you do, the more easier for you when you are folding it. So you can see I'm going to fold it this way, and I'll use hemming gum to hold it so that when I'm attaching it to the main pocket, it's not going to open. So as you can see, I've already folded it, and I have used my hemming gum to hold them together. You can see, so there's no way it's going to shake. So I've already folded it. You can see how our pocket is already coming out clean. Actually, this pocket is a very easy pocket. You can see how it is. So I've folded my exact 5 3/4, and then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put my strap. Okay, there's a strap around on the design, a white strap, which is not supposed to be a problem, so I've already done it. I use my hemming gum to make this strap. I just use it to hold. I folded the strap about ½ inch, and then I use hemming gum to hold it. And I'm also going to use hemming gum to hold it to this design like this. Okay, guys, I just use hemming gum to hold it because there's no stitch. If you check the reference image we are creating, if you check the image we are recreating, there's no stitch holding this, so it has to be hemming gum. So I've used hemming gum to hold them together like this. And also, attaching the design to the main pocket, there is no stitch, so I'm going to use hemming gum again to hold it to the design. Okay, so as you can see, I've already used steam to put my hemming gum on this, so it will give me the freedom to set it to the part part where I want it to be. So I'll just use my iron to just press it so it will gum. You can see the use of steam. I don't need to apply any more pressure. Your steam will do the rest for you. So I've already gummed it together. So the next thing is, guys, I'm going to put in my buttons. Okay, I'm going to put my buttons. I've already done that. I've put my buttons, and I've already folded my 5 3/4 just as I want it. The next thing is I'm going to use my bias to gum it. Okay guys, so while I was making the bias, I forgot to hit while I was making this white bias, I forgot to hit the record, so I did not record it. But however, just like the way you do your bias for piping your collar, that's the way you're piping your neck. That's the way you're going to make this bias. Okay, then you're going to sew it around like this with about 1/4 inch or 0.3 inches around. You just sew it. So I'll just go ahead and sew it and come and show you the results. Okay, so as you can see, I've sewn it with about 0.3, that is a little more than 1/4. So I'll just turn it this way. And top stitch on the bias. Okay, I just stop stitch. So as you can see, I've already top stitched it. So the next thing I'm going to top stitch again through the inside. Okay, so as you can see, I'm having a little squeezes at the bottom of my pocket. The reason is because the bias I did was too thick. I doubled it. So when you're making yours, you shouldn't double the bias. Just cut in a bias form and sew it like that. Okay, so as you can see, I've already sewn it. If you check closely, you're going to see another stitch around it to have 2 stitches to make it look finer. Okay, so I've already done that. What I'm going to do, this is the last part. I'll just use my hemming gum to gum these parts together, and that will be all, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed. Please, I beg you, give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell. So thank you so much, guys. Bye.